tunnel cleaning machines for Apple pack. So let's check its testing video. Main page, water pump, air blower, heating system, automatic alarm, and the I/O online page. So because we have the power limit, so I just testing some of the function. Okay. Loading. Okay. Air knife. And then the first stage is first stage stripping. Going to air knife 2. And second stage is salvage spring 1, knife 3, and resin 1, resin 2, resin 3. Air knife 4, the first inspection 1, okay, go to the third stage, neutralization, also is by the spring. Okay, and air knife 5. It's a number 4 stage. Water 4, water 5. Water 6, air knife 6, and the second inspection. Cold blower for air drying. Cold blower. Okay. For air drying. The ending is cooling. Okay, that's all. Check the bank side. So there are total 6 stages. So this is number 6. For the cold drying, open one. Hot air drying section with blower. Open this one. And the blower for the water knife. Okay. So number 5, number 6, and number 4 is for the water rinsing. Okay, that's all.